Hello guys, so this is the second part of the business of collectible coins and business and currency business. Now let's continue what we start. So let's move on now to the next section. The next section here, you can change this, the design, the wave intensity, and the text size. So that's it. The content here, you can add item, if you wanna delete this and add another one. You can go to the link editor, you can manage your link editor section. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section. So here you have first to delete this image and add another one. So you can search here on collectibles, coins and currency. So you can choose one of these here. For example, I'm gonna choose this. You can change the paragraph. So that's it. The background, you can add just a simple art, select just a simple art on the background. So for example, like this. That's it. Now let's move on to the next. So first you have to delete this, add another one beside this image. So also you have to delete this and add another one beside it, the second one. and in the background, wait a few seconds. So in the background, you can just select simple art. That's it. Also here, just simple art. Here you have to delete this. If you wanna add, you can add here a map, for example, beside this contact form. So click here and go to here. You can change the business name and the address and the city and the state and the country. You can change also the design like this and add the background. So that's it. Let's move on. This is the last section, the footer section. So that's it. Here you can change the location and the hours and the contact form. So that's it. If you're done from here, now you can just save this. So before we go back, you can go to the site size. Wait a few seconds. You can go to the site size. So wait a few seconds. So you can here change the fonts. Go here, it's to this switch fonts, the fonts pack, and you can select any font you like from here. Also the colors. So you can customize your themes and animations. You can set any animation style you like, and you can customize here the speed of the animation, the spacing, the page width, and the site margin. And you can also reset the size to defaults. And the buttons, you can customize here the primary button, the secondary button, and the last button. So that's it. So if you're done from here, you can just go to the selling section and add the product to your inventory. After this, add the way you get paid and choose the subscription plan, and the last step is publish your website and start selling. So that's it for today. That's how to customize your website on Squarespace for collectible coins and currency business, easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.